It is a scam in my eyes. And now I finally have proof. What's up, fellow Dashers? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Elizabeth. Today we're going to talk about this. Before we get into it, I just want to say thank you so much for your support on my channel, and thank you for getting this video to 130,000 views. Like, that is insane to me, and you guys just blow my mind. If you watch my videos, you already know I am a cherry picker. I have never taken a low paying order just to try to get my acceptance rates higher. So we're going to break down everything today. Even having a 20% acceptance rate is pretty high for me. I've been to 0% multiple times. I've been a DoorDasher for 3 years now. I am really picky with the orders that I take. I do not take no tip orders. I have been a bottom dasher for 3 years. I've never been a top dasher, because the first step on becoming a top dasher, you know, working your way up to the 70% acceptance rate, if I did that, I would have to accept no tip orders. That's the truth. So just that first step right there, that stops me, because doing that, I'm not making enough money to put gas in my car, and the profits left over are just not worth it in the end. So I could say right now that I have never been a top dasher until today. So now I'm going to explain how I was notified that I am a top dasher, and how I became a top dasher mid-month. Not the end of the month, not the first of the month, mid-month. So yesterday, December 16th, mid-month, I got this text message, and it says, "Dasher, Sarah, to say thank you for dashing, you're invited to test drive an exclusive reward for a limited time. You now have access to Dash Now." So that is my main thing. Being a bottom dasher, I have to schedule like a week out on what I could dash, the hours I could dash, which that absolutely sucks, because I never know my schedule for the following week. So when I logged on today to start my dash, I was welcomed with this. "Congratulations, Sarah. You completed a lot of deliveries last month while providing your customers great service. This means you qualify for Top Dasher rewards." So the text message was saying they're inviting me to test drive these exclusive rewards. Which one is it? Am I test driving these rewards, or did I become top dasher, or you're just giving me the top dasher rewards? So that's the first red flag right there. But my acceptance rate is currently 16%. This is their way of getting more drivers to take the no tip orders, the high mileage orders that are not that profitable. They are giving people top dasher. So a newbie might think, oh, now I have to take every order or most orders to keep top dasher because I like the Dash Now. And I love the Dash Now. Like, I love it. I will use it every single day. But on the, it said it would, it's up until the 22nd. So if I'm a top dasher for the month of December, but the text is saying that I can't have the Dash Now after the 22nd, like, which one is it? Also, to top dashers who work really hard to keep their stats high, to stay in the top dasher program, how is this fair to them that a 3-year bottom dasher that has no chance of ever becoming top dasher is just given top dasher? When I click into the top dasher rewards, I see this, and for some reason there's no numbers. It's not showing my numbers there. The criteria that you need in order to become a top dasher is your customer rating is at least 4.7, which is pretty easy for me. Acceptance rate of at least 70%, which is pretty hard for me, as you've seen. Completion rate of at least 95%. 100 completed deliveries during the last month, and at least 200 lifetime deliveries completed. If you have received these same messages and magically became top dasher mid-month, please let me know below, because I cannot be the only one who is seeing this on their app. I can dash now because I am top dasher. So I want to show you my little map here. I never see Dash Now especially the day of. And when I start my Dash, I am now greeted with this message. It says, raise your acceptance rate to 50% to get priority on high paying orders. My current is right there. You see it is 16%, as I already showed you. So that is another scam on top of a scam. On top of a top Dasher scam that I didn't even earn. Being a top Dasher, look at my first order, $3. $3.75 for 3.2 miles. So we are going to decline that, and I'm going to be now at 15%. So as you just seen, I was offered a $3 order. I can raise my acceptance rate and get priority orders. And I am handed top Dasher. So tell me how any of that makes sense. DoorDash is one of my part-time jobs. Like, this is a big chunk of my income, and I don't want to sit here and bash the app because I do use it on the regular, but I don't want new drivers to see messages like this. I'll just be honest, from my personal opinion from doing it so long, is that they are just trying to find different ways of wording things so that their no-tip customers will still get their food on a timely manner. There is another app that you can link with your DoorDash app that will help you with the guaranteed earnings per hour, and it's called Solo. And when you use my link below and link it to your DoorDash, your account will automatically have $10 in it, and then you could schedule per hour the hours that you plan to work, and they will show you a guaranteed earning. So let's say Solo's showing that you're gonna make $20 an hour for the hour that you scheduled, and then you end up making, say, 16. Solo will then pay you the $4 difference at the Tuesday of the following week when you link your PayPal or your Venmo, because that's how they do pay out. And that's another way of guaranteeing your earnings. I have a couple videos I will link below about Solo and my review on them, and I'm also working on an updated one because there are a lot of updates that they made to the app. So keep an eye out for that. So I'm not really going to be changing anything. I just wanted to bring this layer of scam to your attention for my fellow Dashers. So let me know what you guys think, if you were as surprised as I was that I have became top Dasher. I will be testing this out in my next video, so subscribe for that. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!